Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LOV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what they would normally represent and which you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will. Very nice past couple of days. Not that long ago, this thing was cruising around, in 90 cents and below. Now it's sitting up here above $1. So let's map out some areas of support and resistance going forward for the remainder of the week. The ideal level of support, I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be right there at $1.20. If $1.20 can continue to hold, and I use the word continue for a reason. I mean, you can see here several times throughout the course of the day, the bears try to press down through that level, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a great job of holding strong. And if they can continue to do that, like I said, that would be best case scenario. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below it, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, $1.20, if the price can stay above it, that would be a huge sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things, maybe you're somebody that's saying, look, Clay, I just care about a general way to measure the health of the current move. This right here being defined as the move. So how can you just gauge the overall health and strength of that? Keep an eye on that purple line right there, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is just going to keep on moving itself higher and higher and higher. So from a very cut and dry perspective in terms of Clay, how do I measure the health of that? Simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves itself upwards, then the bulls are in full control, full health, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, the level of resistance that I'm going to go with is right up here at $1.45. I realize the price technically peaked its head up above there today, but for the most part, there's a couple different times where the price did get right up around that area and was rejected. So $1.45, public enemy number one going into tomorrow and the remainder of the week. But all in all, breaking levels of resistance, in my opinion at least, not the top priority. Top priority, just build higher bases and build those higher lows, because as long as prices are getting higher and higher in terms of the lows, the long-term chart will take care of itself. So nice move today, another higher stair step. So let's see if the bulls can keep it up. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.